Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best drawing tablets with screen you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Digital artists and designers use display tablets as a basic tool. As digital art and design become more popular, more and more brands are introducing their new drawing tablets. These are superior to generic drawing pads and provide a more immersive and enjoyable drawing experience. Drawing tablets such as Wacom, a well-known brand, are very popular. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Apple iPad Pro. The iPad is becoming increasingly popular with artists. Several artists have been using it as their primary drawing tool in the past few years. Why does it offer digital artists such an excellent option? In part, this is due to the Apple Pencil, which is a big selling point for artists. A holy grail among styluses before Apple Pencil was Wacom Pro Pen. The situation changed after the introduction of Apple Pencil. Its pressure sensitivity is very accurate and balanced, and it can tilt up to 60 degrees. Additionally, its response time is 9 milliseconds, which is a step above any stylus on the market. This combination makes Apple Pencil as natural to use as a pencil. On number 4, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. With the Galaxy Tab S6, Samsung has provided Android with an iPad-like device. Having made pen-enabled tablets for quite some time, Samsung is getting better at it year after year. A new tablet from Samsung, the Galaxy Tab S6, was released recently. Because of its size and features, it makes an excellent portable drawing tablet. In terms of display quality, Samsung is the world leader. An AMOLED display with 2560x1600p resolution and a color coverage of 122% sRGB is present on the Galaxy Tab S6. On number 3, Microsoft Surface Pro 7. Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is your best option if you want a powerful Windows computer in a portable design. In addition to having a tablet operating system, it also has a desktop operating system. As a tablet, this device has the advantage of being able to run desktop versions of drawing and modeling applications. Offering users the convenience of an iPad or Samsung tablet and support for their modeling, designing, CAD, and drafting applications, it makes a great option for students and professionals. With a 12.3-inch display and 2736 by 1824p resolution, the Surface Pro offers 98% sRGB color coverage. On number 2, Wacom Canvas Pro 22 HD. It is the perfect choice for those who want something larger at an affordable price and who are not satisfied with a smaller tablet. This 22-inch tablet comes with a wide range of features that make it one of the best value devices on the market. As soon as you look at it, you get a professional and minimalistic impression. A 21.5-inch Full HD screen has a sRGB color gamut of 100%. Bright and vibrant, the screen can be viewed from a wide angle. Glass on the screen is anti-reflective to reduce reflections. Adding microscopic bumps to the glass can improve control of the stylus. On number 1, Wacom Canvas Pro 13. This is the best drawing tablet on the market with a screen at the cheapest possible price. This drawing tablet offers a surprising number of features for an entry-level device. Let's start with the display. Its 1920 by 1080 screen has a 120% Adobe RGB color gamut. With its deep blacks, it produces excellent colors. Compared to 16-inch and 19-inch tablets, 13-inch tables deliver better images due to their full HD resolution. There are multiple shortcut keys, as well as a touch bar. A tablet stand is also included in the package. The device is made of aluminum alloy with large rubber pads at the rear. An 82-level pressure pen is included, as well as tilt recognition up to 60 degrees. There is no need to charge this pen. Extra pen nips and a nib remover are provided in the included pen holder. 3-in-1 cable connects to a Type-C USB port on the computer. This is a well-designed and very functional drawing tablet that is slim and portable enough to be carried in your backpack, making it one of the most portable drawing tablets with a screen. So guys, this was the video about the best drawing tablets with screen. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.